What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on Bonk, and finally guys we do have a green day for the crypto. It has pumped up just over 13% in the last 24 hours and is currently valued at this value here. And again, the pump did take place over the last couple of hours here, so we're going to be looking at what is next for Bonk, guys. Is it gonna keep pumping? Is it gonna crash back down in value? And for the rest of the year, what can we expect? And also going into 2024, where is Bonk likely to head up to? Can it get rid of 1, 2 zeros next year, or is it a project that's going to fail? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But before I do that, guys, as you guys can see, yesterday it did drop to the resistance target here of the blue zone here, and I did let you guys know once it hits the resistance target here, it is likely to bounce back up, and that is exactly what's happening right now. So yeah, we'll save that for later on in the video. For now, I'm going to bring out the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are currently looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Bonk, which is here in purple. However, Bonk is still trading above the average value, meaning it's performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction, meaning gains in value are expected from Bonk over the next 12 to 14 hours. So essentially by midday tomorrow to tomorrow afternoon, Bonk should be trading at a higher value than where it is at the moment. Yes, I do agree with that. However, in between that time, it is likely to hit red candles, dropping down in value over the next couple of hours before it slowly starts to gain value again in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, meaning trading at a higher value than where it is at the moment. So essentially it's likely to be a wave, as it's been performing over the last couple of hours as well, up and down. But in this case, the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? Still looking quite bullish, guys. We've got the blue and the orange line heading upwards towards the positive direction, so still looking quite good over the next 7 to 8 days. So towards the mid to end of next week, Bonk should again be trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment, so more gains in value are expected from the crypto. However, that does not mean that it's going to be consistently hitting green candles. Of course not. We are likely to hit red candles in between as well, but what matters is the overall outcome, and at this point it seems to be more on the positive side. So yes, guys, do expect an overall increase in value from Bonk over the next 7 to 8 days. Zooming into the daily chart, next couple of weeks now we are looking a little bit more skeptical. The blue line is looking quite bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line is looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So what does this mean for Bonk is an overall fluctuation in value over the next 6 to 8 weeks. So mid to late February 2024, the crypto should essentially be trading around its current price range, is what is expected. However, if you guys have been watching my Bonk updates, that's not what I'm expecting. I'm in fact expecting Bonk to be dropping in value by Q1 of 2024. So around February, March, it should be trading at a much higher value, lower value than where it is at the moment, potentially dropping down to where it was trading at back in about September, October time. So a major drop is what I'm expecting from the crypto. But again, if there are any major changes to that, I will of course keep you guys updated, as I have been updating Bonk, or keeping you guys updated on Bonk on a daily basis, and I will be doing that as well. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. And of course, if you guys want to stay in the loop of what I'm expecting from Bonk and so on. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. So as you guys can see, we are currently trading in the blue zone here, and over the next couple of days to a week, it is likely to pump back up into the top tier level here over the next week or so towards the end of the year, and potentially and then slowly start to drop back down in Q1 of 2024. Dropping back down into the red zone is what I'm expecting Bonk to be trading at in February to March 2024. However, after that, it may have the potential to slowly and steadily gain value at a slow pace to make it much more sustainable, because at the moment it is not looking too great, guys. Because if I was zoom out to the monthly chart here on the CoinMarketCap website, we can see it's pumped up nearly 500%, and also over the last 2 to 3 months, since about, let's say, early November, it's pumped up near about 10 to 15,000%, which again does not make it sustainable because the percentage increase is way too much. So what we want is a slow and steady increase in value to make it much more sustainable. So as we guys can see here, the trading volume has gone up by 4% in the last 24 hours and is likely to go up even higher over the coming hours, as it is starting to pump up right now. A lot more people will start to trade the crypto again, a lot more buyers and a lot more sellers as well. So we should essentially see the trading volume go up at a slow pace over the next couple of hours as more and more people start to trade the crypto. So this is my take and my prediction on Bonk. So far my predictions have been accurate on the crypto, and over the long term as well, I'm not expecting any major drops from the crypto. What I'm expecting is an overall increase at the moment over the next week or so, and then potentially dropping back down in value by Q1 of 2024, and for the rest of 2024, so mid to end of it, it should slowly start to gain value. But of course there will be more updates on that. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys. What I want you guys to do is let me know in the comment section down below how high or how low are you guys expecting Bonk to go in 2024. Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k as soon as possible. And also, if you guys have any other suggestions on a different crypto that you guys want me to cover on this channel, make sure to comment them down below as well, and I'll go through them and of course make videos on them as well. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Thank you for watching, guys. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel. At the end of the day, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you subscribe, like, share and comment, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.